now.
Here you go. We have the project name called Go Green. This is going to be presented by Andrew, Jesse, Michelle, and Jamil. Our project idea is about we have climate change is a global issue that we are facing now. So we wanted to educate our next generation for the importance of protecting the environment by creating a contest. Idea is to create a model project which is going to be used for schools in LA and Orange County. Theme of the challenges are energy conservation, climate and air quality, waste reduction, water conservation, and connect to the nature. We have a market plan, target market plan for Los Angeles County and Orange County K-12 students. We have advertisement plan for the flyer, website, social media, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. How does it work? This we have a website and different forms to collect information or student to fill out the forms and from a website to get the points, and we will collect the data, aggregate on a Power BI dashboard.
So now I'll go into the Go Green Challenge data flow. So basically the way it works is that we want to promote as much activity through the school districts as possible. And the way to do that via outreach is through our website. So we created a website from Wix. And then within that Wix website, there we have our homepage and all the various assignments and ways to input their data. So all these assignments are located in the website, and from there you can basically submit your projects through our Google form. So once it goes into the Google form, we gather all that data in the form of Excel, and all that data goes into Google Drives. We review those responses and upload that Excel file into the Power BI document. So that's what allows the competition results and points really to make it look like it's continually updated on a regular basis. So we'll get into a little bit more detail when we're actually going through the website. So here's the homepage for our website, and Muzamin will go to the main one right here. So basically, our homepage shows how best to sign up for this Go Green Challenge. Now, the Go Green Challenge is a competition, so basically we need to identify all the people that are going to be on our website or participating in the competition. So the first thing they do is sign up through the contact us, the first name, last name, email, basic data, and so on and so forth. So as discussed, basically when each of the assignments are completed and uploaded via the Google form, the data goes into our Power BI file and is shown through this leaderboard. So the leaderboard actually goes through, you can rank school by school versus how many points each school has earned. So the more assignments that are completed, the more points that each school gets. And the schools with the most amount of points are able to, they get money toward their school. So you can sort by LA County versus Orange County, and then the different types of schools. So elementary school, high school, middle school, so it's easier to sort through the data. You can also click on the point breakdown, and it'll show what types of assignments were completed by school. So for example, Alta Loma's got 30 with energy conservation and 30 in waste reduction. So you can view it in terms of there. And then finally, on the upper right-hand corner, there's a filter for schools. And you can see specifically, if you only want to look at certain schools, you can see those. And then, so the next item on the website is our featured projects. So this displays all of the cool projects that students can participate in, and it will show basically if there's a project that really stood out, this is a way to advertise the kinds of work that each of the schools, particularly the students, have done in order to participate in this Go Green Challenge. And so JC will talk about the different categories within the Go Green competition.
So after we distribute our flyer to different schools in the area, and students can see the website, the website link on the flyer, and they can check out our website. On our website, there's 5 different category or themes under this project, which is energy conservation, climate and air quality, waste reduction, water conservation, and connect to nature. Under each category, we have a short description about what is this about, and we provide some tips to students to provide them some ideas what activity they can do in order to gain points. As you can see under this energy conservation, the tips will be like such as turn off the electronic when not in use, so students can get points when they're doing such a activity. And Michelle will talk about how, like, same as the other 4 category. And Michelle will talk about the Google form to us.
Okay, so on the Join the Challenge link up in the top ribbon, it's the Go Green Challenge form, and that's all tied to Google Forms. As you go through the form, whether you're in elementary, middle school, high school, you put in your email, name of school, and then, you know, it's just a quick, easy click through. Once you get down to your assignment number, you want to upload as many assignments as possible, just because the more assignments that you assign to the form, the more that gets uploaded and the more points you get to essentially win the grand prize. And it's really cool because you can also upload, you know, a PDF, a Word document, a video, a whole bunch of different types of files. And the great part is on Google Forms, it allows you to see exactly your progress in the upload and submission of, you know, whatever you're doing. And then the one other thing that we did with our website was, you know, putting in all the fun videos and pictures and everything that correlates to the project. And then if you go to the Contact Us button up in the ribbon section, you'll see Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Let's go ahead and click on the Instagram or Twitter for a better reason. So with Twitter, we're connecting with Nat Geo Worldwide. We're connecting with different green websites. A lot of times we're able to follow different people that give really good ideas on the project. So it provides a lot of direction for those who are involved at the schools. And it's always fun to see all the different cool pictures that connect to nature and, you know, preserve the climate. And we were just really, really excited about it. So that's the forms and also the social media aspect of our website. And then we wanted to talk about, lastly, something that we learned and something that was valuable to the project. So Andrew, go ahead.
So basically this project kind of resulted from a work project. So I'm kind of double dipping, so to speak, as to, you know, learning about Power BI as well as, you know, fulfilling the requirements of this project. And one thing I really learned was a lot of the more technical details of Power BI and how data is transferred through the system and how to make it, more importantly, usable to the people that are actually doing the uploading of the projects and the points and everything like that. So that was a really important lesson for me.
Yeah, even for me, this is a great learning point for Power BI, the real behind the technical aspect of this project. And I learned the completely new, and it's a great way to learn this Power BI, how to make this display dashboard. At the same time, this is I really liked about this theme of the project and about this novel idea.
For me, I have learned some advanced formula from the form, because at first I was struggling how to like organize with all the data that we collect from the Google form. And then luckily my teammate has the ability, the skill to teach me how to organize the forms, the data.
And then for myself, I use both Tableau and Power BI at work, and everything is preloaded by the IT team. And actually being able to physically work with Power BI and manipulate the data and make sure that everything, you know, falls into line, that's been very, very helpful. And then probably the funnest part about creating this whole thing was, you know, definitely working with my group and putting together this crazy fun website, only because there's so much involved with creating a website and so many different things that you have to edit and move around. And if you don't get it right, it doesn't look good. So just the whole project was a lot of fun.
Thank you. I think that's it.
Yep. So thanks, guys, and pay attention to, you know, what's going on around you, and, you know, global warming and reducing your waste, and pretty much reduce, reuse, and recycle.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you.